On the farm, everybody has to move or handle pigs at some point, whether it's for sorting them or loading them or just moving from one place to another. To get that to work well and efficiently and easily for everybody, we have to consider three elements. So the first thing to consider is actually the pigs themselves, understanding a little bit about their behaviour and their senses, how they see the world and how they're maybe going to respond to the whole process. The next element that we've got to consider is the people, so that's the handlers. Are they communicating with each other? Is everybody clear about where pigs have got to do and who's doing what task? And making sure people are in the right sort of position at the right time, and also that we're not actually making life difficult for the pigs and other handlers. And the final thing to consider then is actually what I would call the hardware or the facilities. So if you're loading or moving, quite often you've got gates or walls or pig boards or something to set up and make the route easy. So it's looking at that whole facility from the pig's point of view, and is it easier for them to move along? Because the easier we make the route, then the easier the pigs are going to go.
So before we move any pigs, it's really important that we get the race and everything set up so that it goes as smoothly as possible. Setting the race up, it's important that we have solid sides, because then the pigs can't see out and they will just go forwards. But it's important that everybody that's going to be involved in the task knows exactly what's going to happen, so that nobody gets stressed and that stress doesn't get transformed to the pigs. Using stock boards is essential for this process because we don't want to make the pigs stress, and it's easier for the staff. Using creep bags is quite a good method as well to get them moving, as you can make noises by tapping them against your body. Working together as a team, so nobody's in front of other people, so that the pigs are always being shooed along at the same speed. So the pigs have already been selected and marked up, the ones that we want to go to slaughter, and the ones that we don't are left blank. So once we've got them into the race, then we start to select them, drawing out the ones that we don't want into one pen and the one with marks on going to bacon into another pen. When you move any pigs, it's really important that you think about the pigs' flight zones and keep everything as calm as possible. If we think about Temple Grandin's theories about the effects of moving from a dark building into a light outside space, and also moving from, say, grass to concrete, all these affect the movement and how easy it is to move animals.